How to deposit or withdraw on MEXC wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll go into the steps on how you can deposit or withdraw on MEXC wallet. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me go through this video. In order to deposit or withdraw on MEXC Global, you can simply open up the MEXC Wallet app and log into your account. Now you can get the application on your Play Store or App Store depending on the device, Android or iOS respectively. Once you have the application opened up, you can simply head into the wallets option at the bottom right corner. At the bottom right, you can see the wallets tab. You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see deposit, withdraw and transfer option. If you wish to deposit, you can simply tap on deposit and choose the crypto that you wish to deposit. So once you tap on deposit crypto here, you can choose the crypto that you would like to deposit, and now select the network, and once you select the network, you'll get your address. So you can use it to transfer it from another wallet. If you wish to withdraw, tap on withdraw, select the crypto, then select whether you want to perform on-chain withdrawal or MEXC transfer. You can select on-chain withdrawal here. You can read this here and tap on confirm, and now you get the withdrawal address here. You can enter in the address, select the network, enter in quantity and such, and confirm it. This is how you can deposit or withdraw crypto on MEXC Global. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.